What is going on, guys? Welcome to next week's gold forecast. Super excited to dive into this, but before we do, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that a lot. So we are currently on gold on the monthly time frame. Now, what is the first thing that we can see? This monthly bullish impulse leg. So we know that we are bullish on the monthly time frame. Now let's look at the candles. What can we see? So we can see that last week we have taken out this previous monthly candlestick low. And while we are here, we can mark up our monthly candlestick high. And that is our monthly trading range. And you can see we've taken the liquidity. Now, what indication do we have where price could be going next on the monthly time frame? Well, we are bearish on the monthly candle, and we did close bearish on the previous monthly candle. However, we are bullish overall, so we need to keep that in mind. We have just taken this liquidity. So now, one of two things is going to happen. If we've taken enough liquidity, what we'll see is we'll see a reversal from here, and then price will push up and attack the liquidity up here. However, if she didn't pick up enough liquidity to push her up here, what's going to happen is she'll pull back. You see this rejection here. We'll get confirmation again, a lower time frame, and then she'll continue down and she'll look to attack these lows to collect more liquidity, because that's all she does. Liquidity, 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 collect buckets of liquidity, fuel. It's essentially fuel from going level to level to level to level to level. And that's how the market moves. So let's go down to the weekly time frame, see what's going on down here. So price action first. Impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement. And then now we are stuck in this ugly kind of complex pullback. I mean, look at it, price just moving sideways here on the weekly time frame. However, we have taken the liquidity from here. You can see we pushed down, we closed all the way back up. So if we delete this, that line there, we don't need that anymore because that liquidity has been taken. And we mark up this weekly low here. And then we mark up this weekly high. Now, that is our weekly trading range for next week. This is the current weekly candle, but tomorrow it will be the previous weekly candle. So that is our trading range going into next week. So what clue do we have by looking at this weekly candle of where price might be going next? Price is closer to this weekly high here, this previous weekly candlestick high. And as we know, price loves to attack liquidity. So just from looking at the weekly time frame, I'd like to see price open up, attack this liquidity, and then give us confirmation from here. This level will determine whether price continues down or whether price continues up. When price gets to this level, she's either going to take the liquidity and get enough liquidity to continue down to these levels, or she's going to take some and then realize, this isn't enough liquidity, so we're going to continue up and go collect some more. So this is going to be my POI going into next week, this weekly high right here. Now, we're on the daily. So what can we see? Let's move these arrows out of the way. Okay. So we are bearish on the daily time frame. So we're bullish on the monthly, bullish on the weekly, bearish on the daily. So where is this previous weekly POI sitting? This flip zone that we've marked out, where she's either going to take the liquidity or she's going to break and retest and continue. Right on the daily high. So you see how we're starting to build that story, because if the daily candle closes above here, that's going to break the structure. Daily bullish, weekly bullish, monthly bullish, and we're going to look to continue to buy up. However, if we fake this level, then there's a high probability that we're going to continue down and the daily is going to stay bearish. So what can we see here? We can see if we just mark the high to lows, impulse, it's really ugly down here, but low, and then new low made, so we'll break a structure here. And then we have this daily bearish impulse leg, and all of this inside here, complex pullback. We broke structure here. And then now, what was the level that broke structure? That level came from our flip zone there, which is also our weekly high. So what can we see? Price is rejected inside this. We've filled this imbalance here. And on the lower time frame, we're probably going to have an imbalance, a lower time frame imbalance on there as well. So what can we see? Price looks got this reversal here. And it's looking strong. These bullish candles are looking strong. So I want to see price get to this level. Now, we are still quite a few pips away, 140, 150, 160. Now, I don't think we're going to get that push straight on market open. So I would look to buy up to this level here. coming into Monday morning if the trade is right. So if we go to the 4 hour, what can we see? What can we see right here? Look at this. So we've got another level here. Price gets above this level, we can look to buy up into this imbalance here. And that is the trade I'm going to be looking to take coming into Monday morning. We just need to see a 1 hour candle close, break and retest above there, coming into Monday morning. If we open up and then we see Asia sitting around here, then we're going to look for break and retest up. Boom. And then what we're looking for? Oh, yeah. Either going to get a mitigation, continuation, we're going to fake the high, which take liquidity off the high and come back in, or we're going to break and retest up. That's all we're waiting for. But if we get an opportunity to trade up to it here, because we know that price needs to fill this imbalance, we are going to take that as well. And on the 4 hour, we are also bearish. So you can see here, bearish on the 4, bearish on the 1. And that high is sharing the same high as the daily and the 4 hour. So if we break this level here, that means the 4 hours bullish, the daily's bullish, the weekly's, so we can expect those continuations then. So if we go down now on the 1 hour, the low has finished here, and we did get this reversal pattern down here. Some would say bullish, some would say bearish. It doesn't really matter because price, this level here is going to determine where price is going next. And obviously, we need to fill this imbalance here. So again, I want to see price up and up here. See price up and up, get above this level. If we can get above this level, boom, we'll take that. If Asia is somewhere around here, boom, I'm going to look to take that as well in here. That'd be perfect, that. If we stayed under this level until Asia, then got the break and retest, then we know high probability that volume is going to push us up, fill this imbalance in here. And that's all I'm waiting for. This level is the key level that we're going to look for, the higher time frame continuations. So they're going to give us the mitigation, continuation, the fake out, engulfing back in, continuation. That is my favorite trade. I love the trades that fake the highs, take liquidity, and then give you the reversal confirmation. Or when that happens, you get the fake liquidity hunt, and then that liquidity hunt also gets faked. Damn, that's like, when you see that, you need to put some good risk on that and just dive into them trades, because when that happens, it doesn't happen that often, but when it does, there's super, super high probability. So that's it. That's all we're looking for, guys, going into next week. This level here is going to be the next level that we need to get above. And if we do, we're going to look to buy up. And if we don't, like if we fake this level, what's going to happen? Like the higher time frame, she needs to collect liquidity to move. Liquidity is fuel. So if she gets above here and then struggles, fakes back into Asia, she's going to go down here. She's going to go down here somewhere, collect liquidity here, maybe down even to this imbalance, and then continue. That might happen. That's super common that she'll fake this break, retest here, fake the buy, go collect the low, and then buy up from there. If that happens, then we'll look to buy up through this gap there as well. Just level by level by level by level. That's it. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Remember, we've got a few things going on now, actually. Companion here, the Companion is launched. Absolutely sick robot. This Companion is built from this day trading strategy. Super, super sick. The free Discord link is on the website, so you can go check that out. blackswanfx.com. Click the link to join free Discord and go check it out. We've got the automated prop firm passing and payout process as well, which is the funded lab. Guys, I've got some insane products launched and even more on the way. I'm just so committed to giving people the tools that they need to succeed when it comes to trading. So that's it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will see you in the Discord tomorrow if you remember. And if you're not, get in the Discord so you can start smashing it with us. Bosh.